Helicopter-based online cleaning of insulators eliminated the use of highly skilled, scarce manpower. Further, prolonged power outages were no longer necessary. Power Grid has plans for conducting the cleaning operations on 400 kV HVAC and 500 kV HVDC transmission lines in and around the National Capital Region, Delhi, in different combinations of insulators like tension strings, V-strings, and in an international system for cleaning insulators. The helicopter-based online cleaning system showcases the responsiveness of Power Grid to new technologies.